In front of me is Motorola Moto G60s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Motorola. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose security. Then tap on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one, enter it and choose next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here select how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I will go with show all notifications contents. I have to click on this option and tap done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!